Hello, welcome to another wonderful week in the Tucson Unified Community. The holiday weekend fast approaching with Thanksgiving fast coming upon us. Very happy to be at the nationally renowned University High School, home of over $40 million in scholarships given to some of the most prestigious universities in the entire nation. It is also the home to some of the most innovative, culturally responsive, and relevant courses in the district. I had the pleasure to spend the morning watching some of the new CRAP courses and learning all about the Unity Club, because UHS is not just about academic excellence, it's also about the spirit of service. And we have a wonderful club here at UHS where students get together and they mentor and they tutor some of our refugee students from Rincon High School. And here to tell you a little bit more about all of the wonderful things going on at UHS is its wonderful, proud principal, Mrs. Amy Sislak.
Welcome to University High School. I'm the very proud principal here at University High School. Thanks for joining us during our lunch hour. UHS is the home of the most diverse admission-based high school in the entire country. We have a diversity of thought, ethnic backgrounds, religion, clubs, and experiences. And we're also the home of the only culturally responsive AP class in the entire country, which is our AP Culturally Responsive Literature class. You should come and visit and check it out.
I want to take this time to wish all of our almost 7,500 employees the very, very best of holiday weekends. I hope that you take this upcoming weekend to rest, relax, reflect on the very powerful work that you do for our students each and every day, because without you, we couldn't do the wonderful things that we do here at the district. Have a great holiday weekend. We'll see you back next week.
Hi, my name is Brianna Bracamonte. I'm a junior here at University High, and one thing that I really love being here is the academic rigor that I get to experience in my classes and the fact that I am enjoying what I'm learning. I'm excited to be learning about the civil rights movement in my English class.
Hi, I'm Esme Canelos, and I'm a 10th grader at UHS, and I love this school because I've been able to find a group of friends that we support each other through everything.